All right, so I got my Arteza advent calendar here. I have not opened even the box, so I don't know what to expect. I'm feeling like a potato, so you're not going to see my face. Also, obviously, if you don't want to see what's inside the calendar, then you probably shouldn't be watching this. Just saying. All right, I'm gonna open this. All right. Oh, okay. So it just comes in a box, nothing in there as you can see. Here it is. It has plastic on it. All right, you're gonna hear a big bang. I'm moving the box. Okay, I lied. There was no big bang. Okay. Here it is. Oops, whoops, whoops. And you're probably going to be hearing noises because the kids are home. The dog is always making noises and sounds. Because, you know, doggos. So here's the box. Oh, it has a little tie on it. Cute. Little dots. Here's the back. Oh no. Is it showing? It's showing the contents. All right. I'm gonna try to open this now. Keeping it in view. Oh, supposed to take it out. Okay. Aww. Oh, this is pretty. Yeah, this is my first Arteza box too. So I've seen some videos on like, what was it, last year's Arteza box? I haven't actually gotten one. This is the first year I've gotten one and super excited. And that's the inside. All right, ooh, here we go. Okay, so there's number one. Oh dang, how big is this? Ooh. Ooh, this is a big one. First one. Look at how big this is. Oh, that makes sense. Little packet. Oh my gosh. It's a canvas. 5x7 canvas. Aw, look at that. That's adorable. Okay, that's a good start. I like that. Already giving you something to paint and draw on. Nice. I do like that. Okay, gonna move it to the side. Okay, so 2 is right here. Oh, that was not graceful. Okay, what do we have? Non-toxic, that's good to know. Oh, it's a marker. It's a tweed marker. Twi marker in Noir. It's a black. Water-based ink blendable, and it's by Arteza. It has both ends here. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Very neat. Where's 3? I am not good at it. Wow, okay, cool. Alright, we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. And it is acrylic paint. I do not hate that. Cold gray. So that's always fun. I keep forgetting to show it to the camera because I get distracted. Alright, so 4. It's another, I'm assuming, a marker, pen, something of that nature. With how long it is, or maybe a paintbrush. What are you? Oh, jeebus. Yep, paintbrush it. It's 2 paintbrushes. Oh. Oh, okay. That's cute with the little ribbons. Oh, once again, Arteza. I'm assuming all of these are Arteza. Maybe I should stop saying that. Okay, so they're premium. It's a 4 round and a 6 flat. Here we go. Actually feel pretty good. So number 5 up here. Oh my gosh. Alright, I feel opening these doors is not the package's fault. I'm just not great at this and impatient. It's my, ooh. Oh, that's fun. If I can get it out of here. Oh, how cute. Watercolor pad. So you could water paint on the go. Very cute. There's 16 sheets and it's 4x4. Ooh, here is 6. Okay, what are you? You are, oh, it's oil paint. Viridian green. Nice. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I do love oil paints. 7, where are you? Oh, there you are. You're right there. Oh, that wasn't bad. Oh, oh, cool. A palette knife. All right, I definitely don't hate that. It's a 7-1. I don't know what that means. Probably a size. I'm assuming a size. Neat. Oh, I've only worked with the cheap plastic ones, so that's cool. Ooh, it's a round one. That's interesting. Can you guys see? Do I need to move this over? Okay. What are you? Round canvas panel. Oh, okay. I guess it's, oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, it's a little round canvas. All right. That's cute. Oh, there's the finger thing. Oh, it's just hidden. I didn't see it from this angle. Can you guys see? What do we have here? Ooh, oh, gouache. How do you say that? Gouache. I keep wanting to call it goulash. But yeah, acrylic gouache paint. I think that's how you say it. And it's an aqua. Very cool. It's a 0.74 fluid ounce bottle, 22 milliliter right there. Neat. Never worked with those paints, but I've been told that I should. Did we forget 9? We forgot 9. I opened up 10. We forgot 9. Whoops. You probably want to see what I'm opening, huh? Like I said, it's probably not the best video, but you guys were impatient. Oh man. Speaking, oh, they explain it on this side. Whoops. Just so you know, apparently they have descriptions here. This is really hard to open. This one is a fighter. Okay, so I very badly opened it. Okay, these ribbons. Wait a minute. Are you supposed to use these ribbons to pull it out? Okay, I'll have to test it out. I think, wow, okay. Yeah, okay. It's a Arteza. Why do I keep saying it's Arteza? Of course this is all Arteza. All right, it's a 25 millimeter marker. Definitely don't hate that. I was just thinking about how I needed a new one. So very cool. Super excited about this. Okay, since we opened up 10 prematurely, we are at 11. I can't tell if I'm... Ugh. Okay, sorry, I suck. And it is another... Whoops. Ooh, it's a metallic acrylic paint. An Aztec gold. Nice. Well, that's going to be fun. Also, 7.4 fluid ounces, 22 milliliters. Very cool. Ow! This chrome ink marker. Oh, this could be a lot of fun. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Obviously, you need to start it and whatnot, but very cool. Very cool. Now we need 13. Look at this. All right, what do we have here? Spiced apple watercolor paint. Very cool. 0.4 fluid ounces. Very neat. That is a very pretty color. Okay, 14. Here. Oh, ooh, gel pens, white. That is perfect. I can never have too many white gel pens, so that is awesome. 15. Move you over here. Okay. Okay. I thought maybe the ribbons help. No. All right. What the? Oh, it's the gouache. Yeah. It's a paint tub. Okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a bubble. Okay. What color are you? Does it say on here? Latte brown. Okay, so apparently this is a latte brown gouache paint tub. We are 16. Yeah, how are... See, I don't know if the... Well, I guess the ribbon helps. Ooh, oh! It's metallic acrylic paint in pearl electro blue. That's cool. Oh, I like that. Once again, 0.74 fluid ounces, 22 milliliters. Have I been just calling it 74 fluid ounces? Because that's not right. It's 0.74. Oh, I'm really liking these. I was afraid that I'd be kind of disappointed, but I am not. I'm super excited by what I'm getting. All right, so we're on 17. And we have another round canvas. Same one as the other one? It is. Okay. All right, maybe you guys can comment on what are these used for? Obviously they're for painting, but is it for like a necklace? Ornament? Oh, maybe it is an ornament. Yeah, what do you use these for? I'm really curious. They're neat, I just don't know what I'd use it for. That was 17. Where are we at? We're at 18. Ew. Oh, I'm horrible at this. I am so sorry. I'm sorry. Let's use the ribbon. Okay, so the ribbon does help. I take it back. It can help. Okay, so we have acrylic paint again, and it's vermilion red. Probably the 0.74 fluid ounces, 22 milliliters. Very pretty. Ooh, I really like that red. Oh, these colors are amazing. I think they did an amazing job picking out the colors. That was 18. We're at 19. Just a little thumb thing. Okay. Alright, I'm just cheating. There we go. And this, what are you? Metallic dual tip marker. Ooh! Oh! Okay, we got this size. And this size. There we go. Gold metallic dual tip marker. Neat. We're getting to the last ones here. Okay. Ooh, it is a metallic oil paint in gold. Very nice. That's a decent sized tube. Wow. 0.74 fluid ounces and 22 milliliters. Very cool. 21. See, I'm getting the hang of it. It just, took me until 21, right? The ribbon's useless for that. What do we have here? Oh, it's a marker. It's a Everblend art marker. There's like some smudgy stuff. I think maybe that's where the ribbon was supposed to be. I don't know. But yeah, it's Mantis Green. Mantis Green. This one side. The other side. Yep, alcohol based. Very neat. And that's the color. There's the color. Now we're at the 23rd. I know there's kind of a glare on it. Oh, a few more. Wait a minute. No, we're not on the 23rd. I lied. It's the 22nd. Oh my gosh. Why is counting so hard? All right. We're on the 22nd. Sorry again. All right. Can I use... I don't know if that was helpful, but I tried. Ooh, another watercolor paint. And this one's Stone Blue. It's the 0.4 fluid ounces, 1.8 milliliters. That's a unique color. I dig it though. I really, yeah, they really did an amazing job on these colors. I love them. I love all the paints I'm getting. That's my thing. I love paintings. Definitely do not hate that. So I started opening 23. Man, I'm destroying this box. Oh, acrylic varnish in satin. Okay, I love that they put that there. That's really cool. Yeah, I'm very happy with this advent calendar. I wasn't sure if I would like it, but I'm definitely loving it. Oh, okay. Is there 20? Nope, only 24 days. Okay, this is the last one. Not a very big box, but that's okay. Let's see. Try to make this one pretty. Can I make it pretty? Okay, and we have what? What do we have? Modeling paste. Well, that's different. What did... Okay, I'm gonna have to Google. Like, obviously it says modeling paste, so it's modeling paste, but what exactly would it be for, like, in this form? Like, it's... I will have to look it up, or you guys can tell me. What is this for? But, okay. I don't hate it. I just don't know what I would use it for, but I guess I'll find out. There we go. And that was the advent calendar. I did not hate it at all. This was pretty good. And here's all the stuff that was in the advent calendar. I felt they did a really good job with picking out the paint colors. They're all different, very usable. I did like the markers and the pens. Paintbrushes were very nice. I love that they gave you two. I love the palette knife. Still confused about that. Not sure what these little round ones are, but yeah, and I love that they gave you even like a watercolor pad and a canvas. I believe I got this for $80. It was around $80 or $90. I think it was a very fun advent calendar to open up. My first art one. So I feel they did a pretty good job. I was not disappointed. So how do you guys feel about this advent calendar? Do you feel this was worth it for the $80 or $90? Do you feel this was a fair amount for what you get? Do you like what came in it? Do you think it'd be useful? Let me know. I just wanted to do this because I was very excited about this advent calendar, and I didn't want to wait to open it. I want to make a video on it because I felt other people would want to know what's in the advent calendar before they buy it. And so yeah, that's mostly why I made this video. Not the greatest video, but at least you get an idea if this is something you want to get. So, yay! Art stuff! Hope this was helpful. Bye! Wait.